My name is Carly, and I am an automatic machine operator. I've been at the company for the last 6 months as a full-time employee, but before that I was a temp. So straight out of high school, I went to college, and while I was there, I quickly realized that it wasn't for me. After 3 semesters, I ended up moving back home, and at that point going through a temp agency, and they placed me at a manufacturing facility in Guilford, Connecticut. It was a printing company, so it was different. But I quickly realized that I am more of a person that likes to work with her hands. It's a little more satisfying for me to have an end product. I'm not really a desk person. And that's really how I got my start in manufacturing. I kind of wish I had my act together still at that point, because I would have gone to some sort of trade school and got schooling to better myself. I was able to get in the company as a temp, and I started out doing visual inspection, and then they moved me over to the customer sample area, which was hand building parts. After that, they moved me onto an automated machine in the X25 area, and then COVID hit. So that was a difficult time for everybody, really. And luckily, the people here are great, so they moved me over to the Essex division, and I was deburring parts for medical ventilators. So we were a big part of the whole process of saving people from COVID and whatnot. After that was done, they moved me back to here, and I was able to get hired at that point. So basically, when I come in the morning, I get my assignment from my leader. I'm always running one of the automated machines behind me, the Sankios they're called, and we make an assortment of parts for different customers. Basically, when I start up, there are a certain amount of checks that I need to do to make sure that all of the parts are within spec and how the customer wants them to be run and used. Today I'm making a check valve for a hydraulic system for a handheld tool crimper. This place is great. They're constantly doing things for their employee. Just last week we had a summer picnic, barbecue, things like that. They have a yearly Christmas party. They hold monthly meetings here, that updates all the employees on the status of the company and how we're doing and our customer base. We also occasionally, just for no reason at all, get some ice cream parties, blizzards from DQ, things like that. And what else do we do here? It's just great. It's a constant good vibe.